Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about oil-based polyurethane and the two different ways that you can apply it. Now specifically, I'm talking about the products that Minwax makes. They make a oil-based polyurethane like you see here. This is a brush-on and this is a spray. Now the brush-on is, well, it's a traditional polyurethane where you get this amazing, deep, rich top coat finish on all kinds of interior projects, including wood floors. So if you're refinishing a wood floor and you're looking for that deep, deep luster of a finish, that's what you're going to get with this oil-based polyurethane. Now, if you're working on a project where maybe there's vertical surfaces and you need to get into nooks and crannies, well, the spray polyurethane is really what you want to use because it can get right in there. You want to make sure you're applying it correctly. The manufacturer gives you specific recommendations on how to apply it, but you'll get that same look. Now, something that's kind of unique about oil-based polyurethanes is that over time, you'll get a little bit of an amber look to it. So with traditional finishes like on furniture and whatnot, that's part of the beauty, and that's what you get with oil-based polyurethane. Coming up next, my video on waterborne finishes.